B.Sc Entrepreneurship is a 4-year program. That's an 8-semester program. And these are the courses you're supposed to register for 100 level, including 105. I'm mentioning 105 because some people don't know where to register this particular course and where not. And you're registering this because entrepreneurship is not a science program, and you will not register just a 203 because 203 is for science program. So if you register 105, you will not register just a 203. That's how it works. Good. And here you have your credit units for each course. This is the 101 is 2 units course. So and you will be paying 2,000 naira for the course material and 1,000 for exam, a total of 3,000. And BOSS 105 is a 3 units course, 2,005, 1,000, making a total of 3,005. So you have a total of 24 credit units, which is of course usually the maximum a student can register per semester. So you are expected to register all of them and pass all of them. That's why you are seeing 24 of 24 here. Your first semester compulsory fee is 36,000, but from second semester till you graduate it becomes 18,000. Yeah, school fees becomes a total of 68,000 for first semester. Then on your second semester 100 level, these are your courses. This is 102, 2 units still, pay for 104 marketing. So and the same way we calculated it the other way, and here it becomes 18,000 for this compulsory fee. Then under this you are expected to register all of this and pass as well. But if you had a carryover from first semester, you can see it's not up to 24. You can add it here. Just one course. Don't fail more than one. Then here you have a total of 46,500 for second semester 100 level. Then for 200 level first semester, these are your courses. You are not supposed to register 203, remember, just 203. So you register only 201. Good. Then here you have 16 unit courses. If you had a carryover from 100 level, you can bring them here. There's a lot of unused credit units here, about 8 remaining to make it 24. So if you're a direct entry student, you bring 107, just 107 from 100 level. You add it to these ones to make it 18. You're expected to pass all of them. And the cost for the semester is 40,000. If you're a direct entry student, you'll be paying 36, not just 18. Okay, so 200 level second semester, these are your courses, and this is the credit units 21 of 21. You're expected to pass all of them, and the total fee of 43,000 for 200 level second semester. Then 300 level first semester, these are your courses, including GST 302. Never ignore your GSTs. Here you will write a business plan for now and present and still write the exam. So you register it for exams, and then they register it as a course, and then for exams. Registering as a course, you are paying for course materials after. You will be given a course material because you already pay for it. It's part of the school fees you're paying. Then compulsory semester fee is 18,000, and the total fee for 300 level first semester is 45,500. 300 level second semester, you have all these courses and they're all compulsory. You still have about 4 unused credit units here to make it 24. So you may bring in any outstanding courses or carry over here. Here you also have industrial training, your SAWAS, industrial training on industrial learning at tour. You register with 10,000 but not for exams. You don't register it for exams. So at the end you have a total of 50,000 for 300 level second semester. Then 400 level first semester, you have all these courses to register. There are 25 actually, but 22 is required. So you may look for one elective from among these and drop it, keep it aside. All of them are, just look for one elective and keep it aside. Especially if there are 2 electives. If there are no electives at all, it means you'll be carrying them to the next semester, the 400 level. And then this is your fee, 49,000. Then we have final semester, 400 level second semester. These are your courses. You can see you have 22 units, which means you have a space for a maximum of a 2-unit course to be added here. And then this is your project, 6 units. Such project, 15,000. You don't pay for exams. You register it with 15,000, and that's all. Your fee for the final semester is 55,000, assuming there are no carryovers and all that. So, how many have you carried? Total credits carried. That's all that you have registered. Is 184. Ordinarily, you're expected to pass all the courses, or a minimum of 180 is required, which means you cannot fail more than 2 courses. 2 courses of 2 units, 2 units, or 1 course of 3 units. If you fail 1 of 3 units, the school might waive it for you. You will still graduate. If you fail 2 of 2 units, you will still graduate. Or you fail 1 of 2 units, you will still become a graduate. So for direct entry students, 140 credit units is required of you to graduate as an entrepreneur, a professional one there.